Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you for this opportunity. Mr. Chairman, I've got 5 minutes to try to illustrate. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry. My name is Paul Roselli. Tonight I'm representing the Burrillville Land Trust. I've got 5 minutes to illustrate a little bit about why the Burrillville Land Trust challenges the premise that perhaps this is a facility that is in line with the comprehensive plan of the town of Burrillville. I'm going to state at the outset that perhaps in this document that we put together, and this document that I handed in, it's about 30 pages long. It would take a couple of hours to go through the information. I know you will go through it. I'm more than confident that each and every member up there will go through that document. It illustrates many points that were mentioned previously. I'd like to go through a couple of them, though, for the record, and for you to hear them this evening. The Burrillville Land Trust, as you know, is a private nonprofit land trust in the town of Burrillville. The document that we present tonight is in line with our mission to preserve and protect the rural character of the town of Burrillville through education and acquisition. The Land Trust presents 5 areas of interest that should be considered and read while you're deliberating on the merits of this project. I'd like to go through a few of them. We cite chapter and verse and section and subsection and subsection within the comprehensive plan that this project does not meet the merits or is in line or is consistent with the tenets of the comprehensive plan for the town of Burrillville. It fails on a number of counts. In your deliberations, please keep in mind that you have to, and in accordance with the comprehensive plan, look at other state and federal protections and regulations, 2 of which are mentioned in here. Notifications and jurisdiction over the Clear River, a protected tributary of the Blackstone River, is under the Blackstone River Valley National Heritage Corridor. The project will make it, and the second one is, the project will make it impossible for the state of Rhode Island to meet the greenhouse gas reductions as set forth by the Resilient Rhode Island. One other area of concern is, to date, there has not been any valid biodiversity report for this project. There's been no study, there's been no survey. We present a cursory survey within this 30-page document for your review. I would strongly suggest that one of the questions that needs to be answered is, what is the impact of the biodiversity on that site? That site, by the way, has been designated for nearly 30 years as a natural heritage area by both RIDEM and a number of different organizations. The comprehensive plan even cites that area as being a national heritage area. And finally, given the time I have here tonight, I'd like to echo some of the comments made earlier about the segmentation of this project. This project is being categorically and purposely broken up into segments to avoid federal and/or state environmental impact statements. This insubmissible segmentation is not allowed by both federal and state and district court case law. As a matter of fact, it's not allowed by state law. Other projects within our state have fallen within this insubmissible segmentation area. And they have gone before the courts, and the courts have agreed that more scrutiny a better understanding of the total project. All sub-projects fall into one project. Again, there are many more areas I would like to talk about. I would strongly urge that you read it. If there is any way we can hold a workshop with the Burrillville Land Trust, I would be more than happy to conduct that workshop. I am not a land use planner or a biologist. So what the Burrillville Land Trust did in submitting this report, we hired a biologist to give us the report. Thank you for this opportunity to talk in front of you. Thank you very much.